U-turn right now.
Way more natural, like the old 3-in-Ys. It's so easy. Something nicer to drive.
All right, so we have the new gear shift control stalk for the Model Y Juniper, the newer 2025 Model Ys. As you can see, we have a left turn signal here, but we have no stalks here. So when you're driving the car, generally it kind of predicts on how to reverse or drive, which is okay. It's pretty good in general, but sometimes when you're trying to do quick maneuvers like 3-point turning, like you're trying to do a U-turn and then you're in a parking lot, it's just a little bit easier when you can just flick the stalk, put in reverse, flick again, go to drive, and it's all within finger's reach. So we have a stalk that's really easy. I have it right here. Now, it's just double-sided tape, and it goes like right here, which is really nice. So it kind of matches the orientation. The shape is the same, and it's black. Now I'll say the color, it's a little bit darker. Let's kind of compare it here. Wow, there's actually metallic flakes in it. It's kind of really nice. So it's actually very close in color. I don't know if you can pick that on the camera. If I would have to say is the this one's slightly lighter, and then what kind of gives it away here is the printing is a lot nicer on the Tesla, but you're not going to be able to see that because actually when you're behind the wheel, you can just see R&D right here. So that's really cool. Easy install because, well, it's all wireless. So you stick that right there, and because it's wireless, it does have a rechargeable battery. All right, so when you get access to, there's some ports right here. Just remove this. This is just simply you just pull it off, and it just kind of just easily comes out. And I guess this little panel right here, I'm using this plastic trim remover just to protect the finish a little bit, and you just want to pop this bad boy out. And just they held my clips. And then you're gonna see a little clip right here. Pop that one out, and you should be able to just remove it, and then it'll expose that little area right there. I'll just move this carpet right here. Okay. There you go, and now we have access to the plugs we need to get to. Yep. So there's already an open port right here. So I'm gonna plug it in right here. Let's see if we can get that. This is unused, a little port right here. And just plug it in right like so. And then it has a little thing if you want to add another port. So that's just an extra. And then it looks like we use this one right here. So you just tap that. And then tap that. And we are done. So I want to test it first to make sure it works. We got drive, park. So that's super easy. That's it. Install probably took 1 minute. Of course, you want to wrap things up, make it look nice, but that's all it took. All right, so we just stuck on the thing right there, and give it a nice little wipe, and then we just hold it down for 15 seconds. We're trying to just make sure the double-sided tape is on there good. We're gonna test this out. Honestly, it's so natural you don't even think about like using it.
Oh, it's so much better.
It's fast.
It's so much better. Way better than the touchscreen.
So
let's say I wanted to do a U-turn.
Yeah, we're doing a U-turn right now.
Way more natural, like the old 3-in-Ys.
Just boom, he just,
Yeah, this is way more natural.
the no look. So you can look at the road instead of the touchscreen. So yeah, that pretty much does what you expect it to do. And I'll leave a link down below with more information about the battery life. I'm sure it lasts super long because I mean, it's like requires no power or anything. The number one thing I was curious about this product right here was the battery life, which I'll post, which shouldn't be a problem. And then the fitment, which looks great to me. No one's gonna notice it. It kind of just blends in because it's black and it's in a weird spot where your steering wheel is locking in. And then responsiveness, how laggy is it? There is virtually no lag. It's fast, it's quick. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.